Any mention?
May please, Your Lordship. I beg to mention item number 25 of the hearing list to kindly come up after 3 weeks, Your Lordship.
Other side?
Pardon, Your Lordship.
Other side?
Other side, I have taken the consent from the petitioner. Yes, Your Lordship.
No objection.
2 weeks, yes.
Much obliged.
Yes, no, Aloy, stop mentioning. Please make it quick.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 22 on behalf of Mr. Kharwan Lang, sir. He's on legs.
Item?
22.
On behalf of?
Mr. A.H. Kharwan Lang.
What happened? He was here yesterday.
He's on legs in the division bench, Lordship.
No objection, Your Lordship.
2 weeks, yes.
Lordship, similar prayer with item 23.
Where's PD Sangma? You don't do this matter?
No. Actually, he didn't inform me. I'm the petitioner, number 23.
23.
Lordship.
Your
I'm
objection?
ready, actually.
Your objection to adjournment?
Maybe short time may be given. No
How much?
problem.
1 day?
No, maybe 1 week, Lordship.
1 week, okay. The matters that are pending for, I think, yes. Make it quick, yes. Whoever mentioned. Yes.
What's best, Lordship?
Masha, I'd like to mention item 15, Your Lordship. I have taken the consent of the petitioner.
Ready for hearing this matter?
After 3
15.
weeks, Your Lordship.
She is asking for adjournment, I suppose. And item number 14 also between the same parties, my lord. What happened in the item number 14? The respondent was not found. The notice had returned unserved on the ground that person is not available. But in item 15, he had received the notice in the same address
Yes.
and
No, we'll
appointed
call those
Mr.
matters. Yes.
Mr. Sinkan. Yes.
We'll call those matters. When 14 comes, we'll take 15 together. Yes, it's listed for a specific purpose. Yes.
Please, Your Lordship. I beg to make a mention, party of the hearing list, item number 16, Your Lordship. Your bin is the other side, but I could not get along.
Part heard hearing?
Party of the hearing list. Party of the hearing list, item number 16, Your Lordship. Your bin is the other side.
Mr. P.U.Bin is not here. He's out of station.
Okay, after 1 week, yes.
Then the similar prayer for item number 18, Your Lordship. 18 and,
Number?
19, 18 and 19 connected matter, Your Lordship. I've taken the...
Okay. You've been there?
No, this is Hassan. I have informed... I've taken the consent.
1 week. All together? 18, 19, 17, 18, 19?
Yes. 1 week will do, yes, Your Lordship.
17, 18, 19?
It's connected, Your Lordship.
18, 19.
18 and 19.
18, 19, 17, no, 18 and 19.
It's connected with the matter Ms. Eubin's appearing?
No, different. It's different.
Okay, 1 week. 18, 19. Yes?
That matter was listed day before yesterday.
18, 19, yes. Okay.
Masha, wait, please, Your Lordship. I beg to mention item number 21. Wait, I pay for
Contempt.
2 weeks' time. Yes, Your Lordship.
Where's the petitioner? Why are you mentioning contempt? Yes.
Mr. P.U.Bin is out of station. That's why.
No, we informed the petitioner. You don't know the petitioner. You informed them. 1 week, yes. Yes.
May it please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 26 of the hearing list, Your Lordship. I already informed.
26. 1 week, okay.
2 weeks, Your Lordship.
Okay, 2 weeks.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 24. I pay for 3 weeks' time, Lordship, for filing rejoinder. Item 24.
24?
24, Your Lordship.
For rejoinder?
For
No,
rejoinder.
not getting time for rejoinder. You have to 1 week. No, at hearing stage, it's 2 days for rejoinder, yes.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item 17. On behalf of Mr. Shula, Your Lordship, he's indisposed.
Indisposed?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Thought I saw him in court today.
No, Your Lordship, he did not come today.
1 week, yes.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
20? Since the whole English is gone, so.
Supplementary list. Item number 1.
Yes.
Lord, the order is, my lord, of dated 19th of December 2023, page 9, my lord. And the order was only to consider the representation, my lord, as expeditiously as possible, my lord.
Then why contempt?
My lord, because we are in March, my lord, end of March, and nothing is being done.
Passed on December.
19th December, my lord. Just for consideration of the representation, my lord.
Why contempt?
Because there are lots of developments in the department also, my lord. And
Contempt,
one of us is
there's
due
no-
to
there's no
retire
thing.
soon, my lord. One of us is due to retire soon. Promotion matter, my lord.
Is it Muda matter?
Urban affairs, my lord.
We're a council for urban affairs.
No, my
Muda.
lord. Urban affairs.
See, Mr. Philemon, this is like I don't think because there's no like deadline given in the order. It says that this is order date 1912.
Expeditiously as
and
possible,
you
my
gave
lord.
your representation on
Lord, representation was way back.
again on around 4/2024. Okay, this issue notice is returnable in 3 weeks.
Item 2, similar, my lord.
You have to take out the ADS.
Item number 3.
Please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, this is a matter regarding land acquisition, Your Lordship.
Regarding
Land acquisition, Your Lordship.
land acquisition,
Yes, Your Lordship.
then what happened?
Where the said land has been acquired for expansion of the road, Your Lordship, from Tura to
The
Dalu.
mic's not working.
Yes, Your Lordship. Where the projects for expansion of road has been acquired, Your Lordship, like for expansion of the project from
Yes.
Tura to Dalu road, Your Lordship.
Yes. How much land? Length?
The length is in page. If you kindly come to annexure page 83, Your Lordship.
83. Who are you? You are Nokmas.
Your Lordship, I'm belonging to the different Aking, Your Lordship. I'm a Nokma.
You are Nidjing Sangma.
Yes,
number
Your Lordship.
11.
Yes, Your
So
Lordship.
length 4 meters of your land been taken.
Yes, Your Lordship, and no compensation has
And
been paid.
area is how come the return? Anyway, 4 meters only.
And
Length 4 meters. And then again 136 meters. Okay, yes. What is your grievance?
they haven't paid the compensation, Your
You
Lordship.
have not paid compensation.
No, Your
too?
Lordship. And
Not
no
1 rupee also.
No, Your Lordship. No survey has been made, and even no assessment has been.
But if your name's already come out in the list,
Yes, Your Lordship. But
that means it has to be based on some sort of survey.
no, Your Lordship.
So statement of area to be acquired for widening of NH51 to double lane. See, that means your area has all been marked out. But you have been paid 1 rupee also.
No, Your Lordship.
Yes, Mr. Sen.
No, they're challenging the Section 11 preliminary notification as well as the Section 19 declaration. That is their prayer in the writ petition. But both of them have been issued. They've not filed any objection to that. They say they've raised verbal objections.
These people don't know that, there's a thing.
Not sure.
You raised objections with regard to, has there been any, assessments been done? Assessments been done according to you, correct?
It appears so.
Yes.
So at page 19, they've said they've given verbal objections. Page 19, para 15.
Regarding?
Against the Section 11 notification.
No, you're aware how much amount has been
Amount.
computed for your land?
I I have to up to instruction, Your Lordship.
No, not up to instruction, because the thing is that as per the Act, you're given 60 days once a Section 11 notification comes
Your
out,
Lordship.
and you never made any objections that time. And then you say, now, are you aware that the Section 11 notification had come out, you didn't make objections, you're making verbal objections.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Now, at that point of time, we make objections. Suppose you feel that trees, shrubs, Anyway, heard MS N. Rajiv, counsel of the petitioner, you should notice Mr. S. N. and the GA is present on behalf of
1 to 7.
1 to 7. Where's who's appearing for this? Where's
8 and 9 would be Union.
Yes, Union of India.
So just
Did you
8
give
would
a
be
copy?
Union.
We'll serve
You
them.
didn't give copy Union.
No, Your Lordship.
Union, you didn't give copy.
No, Your Lordship. We haven't served, Your Lordship.
You give copy to 8 and 9. What about 10, 11?
8, 9, 10.
11 you'll appear also.
No, it's 11. I think Mr. Gautam has appeared in some other cases.
Institute of Governance.
Lordship.
Which Mr. Gautam?
Mr. Kishore Gautam. He has appeared.
Notice may be served to the department. Well, I appeared to 2 cases.
You're not the standing counsel.
I'm not the standing.
Yes, Tom, no? One to 7, accept notice. Stop on behalf of respondents 8 and 9. MS S from Thao Vice dot M is present. And accept notice. Copies 8, 9, and 10. Even in this
NHIDCL.
Even in this NHIDCL, you'll appear.
Your Lordship, in fact,
It's a corporation, yes.
Your Lordship.
You'll appear for them also.
I have instructions on responding 10, Your Lordship, but however, in the meantime, 8 and 9.
Yes,
9 and 10 is
8 and
NHIDCL.
9. Notice to issue on respondent of 10, 11. Yes.
It's 9 and 10 are the same, NHIDCL. 9 and 10 are both NHIDCL. One is general manager, the other is the deputy general manager.
So then only on, that means
Only on 11.
No, then she'll appealing for 8, that means.
Only for 8.
Yes, not 8 and 9. So present on behalf of, so number 8 copies to be served by the petitioner on set on the council respondent number 8. Then next is steps to be taken within 3 days on the other respondents. Yes, this thereafter.
Obliged.
Much appreciated.
Item number 4.
After also for affidavit.
Your final affidavit.
Who's the person who's supposed to be?
Well, my lord, here what we have stated, my lord,
who's
that
going to take the fall for the department?
Now they've shifted the work to the Pay and Accounts Officer, MHA, my lord.
because the account section is totally different, my lord, in all the central government offices, my lord.
Yes. Where is that? Where have we said that there? That it puts at para 6?
Para 6.
You filed it after just now?
This morning.
This morning I've received it.
Now, where's the local authority that processes for its Pay and Accounts Office?
But here what happened, my lord, sees the daughter, after the death of the deceased employee, my lord, the mother was drawing the family pension. Now mother is passed away, my lord. So now the unmarried daughter has come forward. So the process requires that the first PPO in favor of mother has to be recalled, my lord, and then a fresh PPO in favor of her has to be issued. So we have received all the requisite papers from them. The last page, my lord, of our affidavit. Lord, so kindly see, my lord. Page 8, my lord.
Yes.
Second one is petitioner's, my lord, late Liang Rangi, so and so.
Sent to whom?
Sent to senior accounts officer.
No, this is a copy only. It's not this communication to whom? Senior accounts officer.
Senior accounts officer.
Senior accounts officer take different from the regular senior accounts officer, and it's done only 7th
March. Because there are delay on their part also in submitting the documents.
My lord, we were
asked to submit documents after documents. We submitted everything, my lord. In fact, we have submitted the documents many times.
Just take down if it has been filed by the respondents, indicating therein that there has been no willful violation, but that compliance has taken some time due to multi-level procedure that's required to be gone through. The efforts taken on is noted. The petitioner has a liberty to implead further necessary respondents in the matter.
I can give the name, sir.
Yes.
I'll give the name.
Names provided by Dr. Mozika. This after 2 weeks. Yes.
Obliged.
You comply before that.
Item number 5.
They're saying it'll take another 3 months minimum.
Obliged.
You want to withdraw the affidavit?
I am appealing for the petition in this matter.
Well, here what happened was the affidavit, while signing the affidavit on the first page, my lord, instead of I, Mr. So-and-so, they wrote the name of the post, my lord. So we are adjutant.
Yes, Dr. Mozika says that he may be allowed to withdraw the affidavit filed instant with petition and seeks permission to file afresh. The affidavit dated 12/3/2024 is accordingly allowed to withdraw, and counsel allowed permission is allowed to file fresh affidavit.
Obliged, my lord.
Daily list item number 1.
My lord, the respondents has raised the question of maintainability. So, if I fail, my matter ends up there.
Yeah.
If I'm unable to succeed the maintainability, then my lord, no need to enter into the merits of the case. Let them raise.
The only issue here, Your Lordship, is that the writ petitioner.
What's the matter about?
Let my colleague just make a small.
I have not looked at the file because you always adjourn the matter.
Yes. It relates to the appointment of the deputy Sardar of the Sardarship, Rangsi Sardarship, Rangsi Sardarship. As per the custom of their particular clans, particular clans were entitled to hold this post. Now, under the Sardarship Act, the electoral roll will be prepared by the executive darbar of the Rangsi Sardarship, and they will send it to the exit committee, district council. And once district council, exit committee approve it, it will come back, and executive darbar of the Sardarship will refer to the clan member, the clan darbar, for electing the Sardar or deputy Sardar or acting Sardar. And the clan member will sit together, and if there is a consensus among the clan's member, then they will propose one single person. Then they will forward it back to the executive part of the Sardarship, and Sardarship.
So the whole selection process is by one clan only.
Yes, one clan only.
I mean, it can also go to the general darbar of the.
Yes.
So that's okay.
Right. And they will. If there is a consensus, then they will select and they will send it for approval and Sanad is to issue. But if there is no consensus among the darbar members, the clan's member, then there would be the date fixed for electing the candidate person. Now the district council appoint a presiding officer. He will preside the election proceeding, and election will be there. Now in my case, the limited case is that the private respondent, there was no proper darbar meeting also, and his name was proposed. Earlier, 2 names were proposed, and subsequently, one of the name was removed, and his name was forwarded, and it appears that district council approved it. Therefore, the writ petitioner who are outside the.
What is your interest? Who are you?
My lord, we are the landowners of the area where the Sardarship, the elected Sardar, will administer the entire thing.
Fine, but you have no right to office.
Yes, I have no right.
You're not from the clan. What's the clan name?
Somat Sardarship. Somat clan. The Somat
clan. From Somat clan, the Sardar should come, correct?
Yes.
And so Somat clan, you say they couldn't come to a consensus with regard to any one candidate.
Yes.
And there were 2 names.
Right.
And that was put before the big larger darbar.
Right.
And then larger darbar, that number 1 withdrew.
Right.
Then only 1 is left.
Right.
So what remains? What's wrong with the approval?
My lord, as per the custom, they said that the maternal uncle will be the maternal uncle. if alive, he is entitled for holding the post. If maternal uncle is not available within that Somat clan, then the younger generation will come forward. Now, maternal uncle, 5 maternal uncles are there. Now, there was no Darbar meeting, proper clans meeting.
How do you know? But you're an outsider. If none of the clans have any grievance, who are you from outside to say that clan A, B, or C then have proper meeting and the Sardars are elected in as per custom?
My limited grievance here is that the post of Sardarship is not belong to the Somat clan. It belongs to the entire community of the Sardarship area. And therefore, though I have no right.
He administers entire Sardarship, fine.
Right.
But then he has to come from Somat clan.
Yes, person should
that
come
you
from
agree.
But
that you have no quarrel that he
yes,
can,
yes.
He has come from Somat clan.
Yes,
yes.
But so eligible person can come and occupy from the Somat clan.
But this particular person should not come.
My lord, he came from the Somat clan, but the other eligible 5 maternal uncles.
He belongs to Somat clan, correct?
He belongs to Somat clan.
Then
he belongs to Somat clan. Now, therefore, my limited grievance is that since the eligible candidates are there, and because of the irregular meeting, now wrong person is elected, and now wrong person is spearheading the entire administration of the Ilaka, which really affects all of us, because he controls all the resources of the Ilaka, and petitioners are the owners of the land and forest.
Okay, let's see who
limited one. So the site has raised the maintainability, therefore.
Who's appearing for the respondents 6, 7, 8? 6, 7, and 8. Who's this Aldinal Soman? And who's Blastalan Soman?
He's the secretary of the Somat clan. What happened? There's an approved voter list comprising of 39 voters.
Of your clan?
Yes, Lordship.
Where is that? You put an affidavit?
Yes, Lordship.
Then?
Then what happened, Lordship? The clan has sent, out of 39 Lordship, 38 secretaries are signed to appoint respondents 30 deputy secretary.
6 or 7?
Aldinal Somat.
Okay, 7, yes.
So now as per the petitioner, it claims that he should not be the deputy Sardar. Means like we claim that the uncle, any uncle or
they are saying that you have not stuck to custom.
Yes, sir.
Now, why Deputy Sardar? You nominated as Sardar, full Sardar, correct?
Deputy Sardar.
Not full Sardar.
Now, we also, during the pendency of this petition, they have filed this, another connected matter, Lordship. The Sardar has expired. So in this place, the District Committee of this council has appointed him as the acting Sardar. They again challenged another petition, number 350, connected.
Okay.
The only grievance is that as per custom that the maternal uncleship, but it's not the act.
Where is that? But the acts, they're codified now.
The act is there, man.
Then we have to go as per the codified, custom. But the act has maintained that only from Somat clan there'll be that Sardar.
Well, that is safe.
And from the approved voter list of the office of Sardar of the Lordship, 38 has made they have signed and sent a representation to the District Committee to open him a deputy Sardar. 38 out of
39.
Yes, Lordship. And the petitioner here in the Lordship, he's not the voter, he's not from Somat clan. Just because he's a landowner within that Ilaka is challenging.
He doesn't like your face. That's the only thing. So why?
My lord, on merits,
on merits,
serious allegations are there. So, my lord, on the merits, I'm not touching. Only the locus, Lordship has pointed out. Now, my lord, Lordship may kindly interpret the word parties in the Act regarding election
When the
matter.
Act?
My lord, election.
The next year?
But I have given the list in the morning. Well, I may come to the relevant what is ranks.
Page?
Well, page number in the.
Oh, you haven't
yes,
annexed it.
Well, page number 119 is the Act and. My Lord, and I may come to section 5, dispute regarding to election.
5.
My Lord, section 5. This was like similar provision was interpreted in 1965 by the Honorable Apex Court. I will cite that one only.
Yes.
My Lord. It says, my Lord, if within 30 days of the declaration of the result by the returning officer, any dispute arises regarding any matter relating to or connecting with the election of Sardar, the party or parties concerned, but this was interpreted by Supreme Court, my Lord, shall refer the dispute by a petition to tribunal constituted by the council for the purpose, and the tribunal shall dispose of the matter as early as possible, and shall not ordinarily exceed 6 months from the date of receipt of the party of the case records, and decision of the tribunal shall be final. Now, the word parties concerned, my Lord, here whether the question arose whether he must be a candidate.
That will follow if you just have a kind of you interpret what is the custom prevalent, who is the person who is eligible to become Sardar. That will naturally follow. If you have any, do you have any claim on the post? How you affect it?
My Lord, here therefore only one decision, my Lord, EIR 1965 Assam. My Lord, I've said in the morning. Similar, more or less, my Lord, the one same ship matter. Election was held.
Why don't you catch that one person who didn't vote for him and make him the petitioner?
No. Only one interpretation was given by the Honorable High Court, my Lord. EIR 1965 Assam, my Lord, in Nagaland.
Assam?
Assam and Nagaland, my Lord.
Assam,
Page
Assam.
number
wrong.
83, my Lord. Page number 83.
You brought the wrong book.
Para
Page
6.
number? Read it. What does it say?
My Lord, this, I'll just read the para 6 without your permission, madam.
I don't have the book. Yes, just read it.
Mr. N. Lahiri contends that though the petitioner could be nominated for the office of the CM, he was neither an elector nor one who had been nominated, and thus he was not a candidate for the office of the CM, and he had no legal right which he has been infringed, and which he could enforce under Article 226 of the Constitution. We do not think that there is any force in this contention. It being admitted that the petitioner could be nominated, the electors were deprived of their rights to file nomination, and the applicant's right to be nominated has been affected, which he is seeking to enforce by means of writ petition under 226.
Oh, but he's an applicant, correct? He wanted to be nominated.
He was not a candidate.
But
somebody,
no. This is a total different thing. He was not a candidate, yes, but his right to contest was there, correct?
Therefore, my Lord,
there's a big difference. Right to contest and right to contest is different. If you know, if suppose you're a voter, okay, you're a voter. Suppose you're one of the clans. Suppose you're one of the persons, correct? So they made a voters list. I'm just saying a position. Yes. Now, for some reason, your name's left out. Now, can they say that, oh, because your name not on the voters list, you can't contest? No. Your main grievance that my name was not on the voters list for some reason, which is illegal, which I want to include, and my inclusion might have an effect on the election. Then, like this person, the applicant, he wanted to be in the fray for the election of CM, correct? He was not allowed to file nomination for some reason. Yes. So, in spite of not being a candidate, doesn't mean he can't contest the election. Or dispute the election.
Well,
that's a different footing. If that is what you're, I haven't seen the book, but that's what you're saying. From which M-ship is that case? Just read out.
This one relates to. I just come to. This particular same Shimala.
My colleague is trying to take this court somewhere else. We are here on Lucas.
Just try to confine to a limited purpose.
He has a right to take the court anywhere. It's just for the court to see whether you can go there. That's all. Yes. Which M-ship is this?
My Lord.
Just curious.
But this same ship relates to.
Give the party's name, 65.
Under 65, party's name is Mr. Sparsomanic CM versus Rohendro.
Yes.
Rohendro.
Rohendro. It's Rohendro Lingdo.
Well,
yes, he
in
was
charge of the administration
CM
this
that time.
council. Well, therefore, the Honorable Court, the High Court defines the word party or parties concerned.
No, that
so
is-
it says, therefore, in my case also, therefore, only unique
You have no
issue.
locus app. You would not be able to contest. You're not a voter. Only thing is that I understand the grievance that you feel something was wrong.
My lord, my lord. So therefore, only the interpretation that we likely my lord may give is will have a great bearing in the administration, the Ilaga level. That only the person coming from the
Let the
Somat
tribunal
clan has a
examine
right.
your locus then. And even then, if you come wrong forum, you can't challenge it straight by 226. If the Act provides that you can go before the council, the normal practice is that you go before the council and then they will constitute a tribunal, then they will hear your matter. Even then, let's see the petition. You've come directly here.
The petition matter challenging the district council.
No. Have you challenged the election directly by this petition?
My lord,
Then
my prayer portion is
let's see
we
a
are
prayer
challenging
portion.
the approval, my lord.
Approval emanates from the
election.
He asking to conduct fresh election.
Page number 31. We are challenging the approval.
Yes, we've seen.
The election.
See your prayer number
33. Page number 1. Set
number
aside
3.
the impugned approval. That is the first prayer.
This approval is pursuant and contingent upon the election. That's all. It's a fallout. It's not. You cannot take the approval in isolation and say the legal act of the District Council that has resulted in appointment of respondent number 7. This approval is a continuation of the events that have happened before. So if it is a continuation, that means naturally it's a culmination of the entire election process. Correct?
Yes.
The entire recommendation of the clan.
Yes.
So you can't like challenge in isolation also. Because suppose the petition is entertained and the order of approval is interfered with, that means election set aside. Will it mean that?
The approval, my lord.
No,
We are confined to
Mr. Chakreso, I mean, like, please come clean. You're a senior counsel. By it will be indirectly, yes. Then
no.
Then we're dismissing the petition.
It touch. It touch.
We'll pass orders.
The district council pass an order. Make one observation that they have the right to file any petition.
You can file. You can even file a political appeal. You can file. There are many complaints. You can complain against him now, and get him removed.
But because on the merits,
Provided you know how to go about
seriously,
it.
serious allegations are there on the merits.
Then you
changing out the communities
you
and
file a
others.
complaint. You are one of the residents of that area. You have a right to file a complaint against the Sardar if you feel that he's indulging in maladministration.
My lord.
That
Lordship may give me that liberty, my lord.
Okay, you withdraw it then. So we will not file.
My lord,
so that no
if there
observations
is-
will come.
My lord,
Yes.
Lordship, give me one more indulgence. Matter may come up on Monday. I'll take instruction to withdraw.
Yes, okay. Otherwise, if observations come, then you might be really out in the cold.
Door will be closed.
Door will be closed.
Do?
Let the matter on Monday to obtain.
Similar, ma'am.
After hearing at some length, Mr. H.L. Chairman, Council prays without some time. Prays without some time to obtain instructions. This is according to the matter on Monday. Otherwise,
Item number 3.
you understand?
Madam.
Yes.
Item number 3.
Our pleasure.
Where's the bullet points file?
Yes, I think.
Since you're insisting on bullet points.
We have already.
File. What about from other side?
I think.
We have also done, my lord, Mr. Thapa is there. We have also done.
Where's Mr. Thapa? He's not here.
I'm sorry.
We are prime his appearance fees. Oh, he's here. Yes. You file your bullet points.
We have already printed, my lord.
He's not filed it.
No, we are in the course of filing, my lord. We have filed it today. The matter can be reserved for judgment, my lord.
Yes, sir.
The other side is already served with a copy.
From the side, the appellants, Mr. Tino is a consultant that the bullet points has been filed. So Mr. Estapa, for the respondent, undertakes to file the same in the course of the day. Currently, hearing is concluded. Judgment reserved.
Item number 4.
So grateful, madam.
Similar order.
Item number 3 and 4 are same,
Yes.
my lord.
5.
Yes.
May please your lordship. Lordship, for the concluding arguments, lordship, I will pray for some time, lordship.
No, you finish today.
Lordship.
Yes.
There's nothing in this case.
The concluding arguments will be forwarded by my senior lordship. I humbly pray for some time, lordship.
Why? You are handling the case very well.
Lordship. And I've been instructed by my senior lordship.
Okay, after 3 weeks.
I'm deeply obliged, lordship.
On the prayer of the counsel petition.
6.
My lord, today the matter is fixed for hearing on the case number 25 of 2023, my lord.
20?
25 of 2023. This is an application under Order 7, Rule 11, my lord. Read with Section 151 of the...
Same thing that he was not present.
Yes, exactly, my lord. And it appears from the affidavit also, my lord, is a round way, my lord, hitting around the bush, that he was not present. He was present before the notary, but not before the registry, my lord. My lord, may kindly see the paragraph that they have stated in...
Mr. Dev smiling away, maybe he's... He was
Page
there
10, my
when-
lord.
Affidavit filed by?
Their reply, my lord. Yes. Page 14, my lord.
Take reply. Please, or written statement. I think written statement. Yes, where's the reply?
My lord, reply page 14, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, from the last, my lord, if my lord kindly see the 6th line, the 7th line, the election petitioner.
From the bottom?
From the bottom, my lord.
Okay, yes.
The election petitioner signed and swore the true copy of the petition along with all the mandatory affidavit, annexures, and true copies in the physical presence of an authorized notary on 13/4/2023 at her home, and she was not well on that day.
The same notary who has notarized?
Yes. Now, he was present before the notary. There is no such statement, my lord.
Now, let's read after that.
Yeah. In spite of all this regular and frequent load-shedding power cut and the massive traffic, the election petitioner rushed to the High Court. After that, the election petition ran to the registry and reached the High Court registry just a few minutes before 4 p.m. As per the rule of limitation to file the election petition prescribed in the Representation of People Act 1951, the election petition shall have ample time. The election petitioner and his advocate, taking care of the convenience of everyone after substantial compliance of the mandatory provision, decided to complete the remaining formality of election petition on the next day. However, all of a sudden, in the late evening, 13 April 2023, it came to the knowledge of the counsel for the election petitioner that the next date, that is on 14 April 2023, was declared holiday on the account of birth anniversary of so-and-so, so-and-so. Thus, the registry was closed on 14th, and after that, on 15 April 2023, being Saturday, it was closed. On 16 April 2023, the registry was closed on the account of Sunday. Therefore, the remaining formality associated with filing were completed on 17 April 2023. The relevant check slip issued by the registry of this Honourable Court stated that there was no defect in the filing of election petition. He has not made any statement, my lord, which shows that he was present before the registry. And the presentation was admittedly on 17, my lord, and he was not present on that day. And then this is on his own oath statement, my lord.
Who has in presentations on the 17th?
My lord, may I kindly see the election petition? You have extra copy of the election petition. If my lord may kindly see the stamp report, my lord. Filed on 17/4/2023 and registered on 17/4/2023.
Where are you reading from?
This is my lord. This is CIS, my lord. We got it from the CIS, and it will be probably in the checklist also, my lord. My lord, may kindly see the first page, my lord. Checklist in the election petition.
17/4.
17/4. So in 17/4, my lord, when the matter was filed, he was nowhere in the picture, my lord.
Where was he?
Oh, we don't know, my lord. It's up for him to.
So it was presented on 17/4. That's
Yes, yes.
That's your contention.
Yes, my lord.
And 17/4, it was notarized on 13th.
13. He
on 12.
On
13.
On 13/4. And 13 it was not filed.
So 13 was not filed.
Yes.
However, all of a sudden, the late evening, 13 April, it came knowledge of the constitution. Next day, 14 April, was declared a holiday on account of an. Okay. Yes.
So it is very clear, my lord, now from the reply they have filed that the petitioner.
Now, which officer of the High Court was it presented and signed?
Before the stamp reporter, Your Lordship.
Who was the stamp reporter who signed here?
D. Marbanyang, Your Lordship.
I think we'll.
Yes, my lord.
The other judgment will cover this case.
Yes,
also.
yes, yes.
It was passed when the other judgment was passed, in which.
And this is an admission on his part in this.
Because only thing we have to examine the.
Yes, yes, yes.
Is in the case of Gavin Miguel.
Yes, yes.
Yes, you bring witnesses.
Yes, my lords.
We fix a preliminary issue. We will not dismiss election petition straight away. But on this question, we will fix it as a.
My lord, my submissions related to the substantive question of filing and raising this issue through Order 7, Rule 11 application.
Yes. What have you said in your affidavit on the other grounds?
My lords, may kindly see their application. Their application, para number 5, is on page number 5, my lords.
Page
Their
number
miscellaneous
5.
case number 25 for 2023.
Yes.
Para 5, my lords.
Yes.
Page number 5. That firstly, the election petition.
My lord, just I will pose my friend before my friend start, my lord, because this is not the only ground that we have before this honourable court on this application miss case, my lord. There are two other grounds. If I can finish, my lord, then my learned friend. Two more grounds is there. Rule 9A of the Conduct of Election Rules, 1961, no affidavit, my lord, he is alleging in his election petition, my lord, a corrupt practice. If it is a corrupt practice, my lord, then an affidavit, an special affidavit of Form 25 has to be filed, my lord. Second thing, my lord, there is no cause of action. The pleading, my lord, specific pleading that what is the corrupt practice and how he has been affected by that corrupt practice is not there. Yes, nothing in the statement, my lord, in their pleading.
How would you answer that in the reply?
Well, first, I want to raise the issue.
Okay, there are three grounds put up. Is it?
Yes, my lords.
First is presentation.
Yes, my lords.
Second is
the affidavit.
Yes, my lords.
A special affidavit.
And third?
On the corrupt practice. And the third is, my lord, no material or the pleading which shows, my lord, that there was corrupt practice and by which his candidature was affected, my lord.
My lords.
By how many votes and all, my lord.
My lords, their whole substance relies in the para number 5 and 6.
Okay.
As per their application, miscellaneous application number 25, my lords. May kindly see, my lord, page number 5, para number 5.
Yes.
These are only two paragraphs where they have alleged certain submissions on the basis of their speculation, my lords. That firstly, the election petition as filed by the petitioner respondent number 1 herein is not maintainable and is liable to be dismissed at this very threshold due to the non-compliance of the mandatory provisions of Section 81(1) of the RPA, in as much as the election petitioner was not present at the time of filing presentation of the instant petition before the registry of this Honourable High Court, as mandated under the law. Admittedly, the instant petition has been filed through the advocate of the petitioner and not by himself personally, and as such, the mandatory provisions of the Section 81(1) has been violated. Therefore, this instant petition is liable, and Lordship, they are relying on the G.V. Sriramma Reddy versus returning officers and others, my lord. Now, if we see, my lords, there is nothing which they have filed along with this submissions. There is nothing on record as per their submission which establishes the fact that I was not present, my lord. This is one part, my lord. Secondly, my lord, as per their submission, the Sriramma Reddy, if you see the Sriramma Reddy judgment, my lords, give me the Sriramma. In this case, my lord, the registry has raised the issue that the election petitioner was not there at the time of presenting the election petition. But in my case, my lords, the information which my learned friend has given to me, that there is nothing as far as the registry is concerned. Registry has not raised this objection, my lord. As per the chapter 8...
So, raising objection of the registry as to improper presentation will make your application valid.
No, this is a prima facie ground, as per their submissions.
Yes, okay.
They are saying that on the basis of Sriramma Reddy, my humble submission is that, just put the copy to one, lordship. Yeah, already. If we see the Sriramma Reddy, my lords, on page number 3, my lord, para number 4.
Yes.
On 6/7/2008, the first appellant, through his advocate, Shri Shiva Reddy, presented the election petition before the Registrar Judicial, High Court of Karnataka. The registry of the High Court put up an office objection that as the appellant was not present at the time of filing the election petition. And as per their application, my lord, there is no such thing on record which says that registry has put up any objection as far as my presence or non-presence is concerned.
That is secondary, yes.
My lords.
Next.
My lords. The second point, my lords. The para number 6, my lords, of their application. It's on page number 6, my lord. That secondly, from a perusal of the election petition as filed by the petitioner respondent number 1, herein it is apparent that although on vague and frivolous unfounded grounds, the challenge to the elections of the applicant here is on the grounds of corrupt practices. However, the said petition is not maintainable, as such the petitioner has failed to comply with the provision of Rule 9A, which is actually 94A, Your Lordship, about the conduct of election Rule 1961. That is to say, no affidavit, the next line, my lords, which is underlined by them, no affidavit filed in the Form 25 as stipulated under Rule A. Now, if we see the Form 25, my lords, and my petition, election petition, our election petition, and the Form 25.
Page number?
It's page number 46, my lords, of my election petition, my lord. This is the affidavit, my lords. And if we see, my lords, the conduct of election rules 1961, Form 25, Rule 94A, my lords. It's in the Bare Act of page number 272, my lords. It's page 272, my lords.
You don't have the same, it's not the same bag.
It is by the professional book publisher, my lords, the RP.
Let's see the rules.
It's Rule 94A, my lords. It probably...
Right, I'll get it, don't worry.
Yes, my lords.
Form 25A.
Yeah, Form 25. May I, my lords?
1 second. Yes.
Yes, my lords. Now, my lords, if we see the paragraph, the format which is provided within the statute, it simply says that Form 25, C Rule 94A, affidavit, I so-and-so, the petitioner in the accompanying election petition, calling in the question of election of Shri so-and-so, makes solemn affirmation oath and say that the statement made in paragraph so-and-so accompanying election petition about the commission of the corrupt practices of so-and-so and the particular such corrupt practices mentioned in paragraph so-and-so of the same petition and end the paragraph of the schedule annexed thereto true to my knowledge. Now, my lords, if my lords may kindly see the page number 46 of my election petition.
Yes.
It is affidavit, my lords. I, James so-and-so, age so-and-so. The first paragraph, my lord, that the statement made in paragraph number 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, and 29 of the accompanying election petition are about non-disclosure of the correct age, dependents, assets, liabilities, details of profession and sources of income, as well as election education qualification in the Form 26 affidavit submitted by the respondent number 1, along with his nomination paper before the RO so-and-so and following particulars. I have given all the particulars, my lords. Besides that, my lord, if we see the next paragraph, again, the statement number 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on, my lords, of the accompanying election petition are the humble submissions and prayer. If we see the next one, my lords, these are the facts on record true to my knowledge. Now, the annexure A3, my lords, on para number 4. My lords, this is the affidavit of, and this affidavit, my lords, of 6/2/2023, it's a substantive piece of evidence, my lords, where I have presented before my lords that in what manner the wrong information, misleading information, incorrect information, concealment of the information by the respondent number 1, my lords. So the whole, if we can go through and through all in all, my lords, to complete all these things, as far as this affidavit is concerned, this affidavit is in strict compliance of Form 25.
How do you say compliance? Where have you said about corrupt practice here in the affidavit?
My lords,
Where the declaration that is engaged corrupt practice and that's reflected in paragraph?
Yes, my lords. Yes, my lords.
Where is that?
Yes, my lords.
In its affidavit. In your affidavit, it's page 46. Where does it say? Where does it say?
My lords, this is the accompanying election petition, my lords. This affidavit is with the election petition, my lords. If we see the election petition, my lords.
No, let's see the affidavit. See,
yes, my lords.
Let's see Rule 94A.
Yes, my lords.
Yes.
It's Form 25, my lords.
Let's see Rule 24.
My lords.
94A.
94A.
Read it, yes.
It's on page.
Shall, it says shall.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
So on page 2197, disposal of election papers, my lord. Conduct of election rules, my lords.
It's a disposal, 94A.
Also, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Petition.
I'm sorry, my lords.
Yes.
Form of affidavit to be filed with the election petition. The affidavit referred to in the proviso to subsection 1 of section
3.1, yes.
Yes, my lord. Yes. Shall be sworn before a magistrate of the first class or a notary or a commissioner of oaths and shall be in the Form 25. This
shall be in the Form 25.
Yes, my lords. Yes. My lords. Shall be sworn before a magistrate.
Yes.
And I have done that, my lords. They are not raising the question as far as this is.
Shall be.
Yes, my lord.
Shall be in Form 25.
Yes, my lords.
What are you arguing?
I'm arguing, my lords.
I'm asking you read the provision.
My lords.
It says affidavit deferred to proviso so shall be sworn before magistrate or shall be sworn before magistrate or notary. Correct?
Yes,
and what else? Shall be as in Form 25.
Yes, my lord.
Don't try to make a mockery of the court.
No, my, I'm sorry, my lords. If I am, I'm sorry, my lords. I'm begging your pardon, my lords.
You can't interpret the provision of law.
My lords.
What's your name?
I'm Devendraship, my lords.
Yes.
I'm sorry, my lords, if I am in any manner, I am...
No manner, I mean...
I'm sorry,
Are you trying to submit that, are you trying to say that the court can't read or the council can't read that?
Certainly
You all know it's before the first class, before a magistrate or before a commissioner or whatever.
Certainly not, my lords.
Then,
Certainly.
I'm just asking, the court is asking whether it is a mandatory provision or not.
Yes, my lord. It is
And you
my
have to show the court that this mandatory provision has been complied with, that's all.
My lords. My lords. My lords.
Or we conclude the hearing, we'll pass orders. If you can't satisfy the court. Yes. Yes, continue.
Yes, my lords. I'm sorry, my lords, if I...
Nothing to be sorry about. It's just that don't waste the time of the court. Come to the point.
I'm lords. I'm lords. My humble submission, my lords, that as far as this election petition is concerned and the accompanying affidavit, my lords, which is on the record, my lords, it discloses, my lords, that the annexures, which are part and parcel of the election petition, my lords, they sufficiently disclose, my lords, the corrupt practices, my lords. If my lords may kindly see the election petition, my lord.
You mean it's in full compliance with 83, section 83(1, the affidavit?
Yes, my lords.
Yes. You see election petition, yes?
Yes, my lords. That's my page number. Page number 22, my lords. 21, my lords. So it starts from the 20, my lords, but it's page 20, my lords, that the affidavit, paragraph number 20, my lords, page number 20, that the affidavit under Form 26, prescribed under Rule 4A of the Conduct of Election Rule 1961, filed by the respondent number 1, suffers from the following defect of substantial character. My lord, in the subpara number 1, A, B, C, D, I'm not taking much with the precious time of my lords, but in all these paragraphs, my lord, I have submitted before my lords that the concealment of the information, my lords, by the by the respondent number 1, where he has not disclosed the information which is very important, critical for the electorate school of the Dadangiri election assembly constituency, my lords. So kindly see the para number A, 20A, my lords, page number 20. The respondent disclosed only one mobile number. The rest of the mobile number, which is used by him for the election purposes, for spreading the information and misinformation, which are not mentioned in the form, in the nomination form, in the accompanying affidavit of the nomination form. If we see, my lords, the B para, the respondent mentioned Rupa Morang Marar.
That is well and good. This is as per Form 26, correct?
Yes, my lords.
Then that's fine. No quarrel with that. They have, the objection is that you have alleged corrupt practices and you have not put that in the correct form, that's all.
My lords.
You have not, it's not accompanied by any Form 25 affidavit.
If my
and
lord,
if as per 94A of the rules, it's mandatory that you file a Form 25 affidavit. Form 26, different non-disclosures are totally different. It's a different part altogether.
My lords, my humble.
We're not saying that it's not that your election will be on the ground of non-compliance Form 26.
My lords.
Their objection is strictly that you have raised grounds of corrupt practice, allegations of corrupt practice. That should be substantiated in the correct manner, and the affidavit should be duly sworn in the manner prescribed.
My lords.
You understand? That it should be as per under Section 83 of the Act.
My lords.
83(1).
My lords.
It follows with the Rule 94A, and that follows Form 25. Simple as that.
My lords.
Yes.
My humble submission is in my form, this affidavit which is accompanying with that, it mentioned only the pleading numbers, my lord. That's what my submission.
Yes, so that means it doesn't comply with Form 25.
My lords.
And it will take time. The first issue first. We'll pass orders.
My lords.
Yes. It's not a question of court getting angry. It's just a question of, you come to the point. That's all.
My lords.
Item number 7.
Yes.
Much obliged.
May it please Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I'm praying for some time, Your Lordship.
Why?
The legal aid counsel is our station, Your Lordship.
Last date in this post, not our station.
Records have come out.
You handle it.
Your Lordship, he's the
What is
one
the problem?
handling the matter.
It's a, what's the matter about? It's a matrimonial dispute.
Matrimonial, my lord, is regarding the alimony, my lord, permanent alimony. What is pending is, my lord, the delay application, my lord. Condonation of delay.
It's still at the stage, condition of delay.
Yes, my lord.
Have you filed objections?
Yes.
They have filed, my lord. They have filed.
How many days delay?
My lord, as per what we have filed, it is 823 days.
What is the reason for the delay?
My lord, the reason being, my lord, when the divorce suit was filed, my lord, a wrong address was mentioned in the suit. And we were never served. The address itself in the suit is wrong. It is only when they filed a review, my lord, before the trial court for enhancement of the alimony, where they have admittedly my lord, mentioned in the review that the address is wrong and this is the correct address. That is when we received the notice. So we filed, there were some criminal matters, my lord. He was behind bars, the husband, I am for the husband. And he had filed an application for, my lord, recalling.
Anyway, it's 834 days that Mr. Yuban
Yes,
be
yes,
there.
let him come, my lord. It's slightly complicated.
Yes, it's the conducting counsel, we have the response will be indisposed. And this is a matter of 2 weeks, yes.
Item number 8.
May it please Your Lordship. Your Lordship,
Yes.
in this matter, we have taken step from our side, and the item has been delivered to the other side.
Been delivered?
Yes. And here's the postal receipt.
Then who's for the respondents? Where's Rumthao? In the file, they've also appeared, though it is noted in the office note that the respondents have entered appearance and filed a wakalat. No, none have been. You were here just now? Yes.
So I'm praying if this Your Lordship, I'm praying this matter be taken up after some time.
Why you want to close it?
No, Your Lordship. In fact, a learned DSJ would like to be personally present, Your Lordship.
After some time you wait. Yes.
Item number 9.
Wait.
Item number 9.
Sit down, yes. And wait. Yes.
May it please Your Lordship. Lordship, in this matter, I am for private respondents number 8 to 12. I am further praying for 2 weeks' time to file our rejoinder.
You already prayed for enough time. Last time also.
Last chance may be given. It's already ready. We just have to file it.
Where's the government? State 1 to 4, 1 to 4, and 5 to 7. Where's our alcohol? What's the matter about?
This is the matter, my lord, where the electricity of the petitioner was disconnected, my lord. He applied afresh before the concerned authority, which was allowed, my lord. And at the time of installation of a new electricity connection, my lord, the private respondent raised an objection saying there is a pendency of suit. So
Who's you raised objection?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Is that it? You file it when? By tomorrow?
It's already ready. We will
Your
be
Mr.
filing it soon. M.U. Ahmed.
Ms. M.U. Ahmed submits that it will be filed within?
Within a week. It's
Within
already
1 week,
ready.
positively. So this is matter thereafter.
Let it be last chance, my lord.
Positively?
Highly obliged.
Item number 10.
This Lordship, as per the order dated 22 February 2024, I have taken a press tape, Your Lordship.
On 5 and 6?
Yes. We have sent it again, and still it's awaiting.
Sorry. Again return. Not found. Return to sender.
Then we may be allowed to take a dusty service, Lordship.
What's the point of this service? You don't even know the address
Because
of the person.
actually, that they are in that One is in the police station in the Aramai, the police who come and trust the petitioner.
Come and?
Who come and beat
beat the petitioner?
Yes, inside the police station. He is the policeman actually.
The number 5?
Yes.
So you'll go and serve dusty on him. He'll thrash you again, what will you do?
My lord, if I may, so far as the state is concerned, the allegations is false, my lord. As per the documents available, the medical report, it shows that.
What is the allegation?
Later file the affidavit.
We'll file a affidavit, my lord.
That is what the allegation? Let's see.
The allegation against the private respondent is that because when
he came to the room without uttering one word, started beating you up.
Yes, that is allegation.
Without any reason.
Without any reason. Because
why?
The reason is that if I have any guilty of doing a molestation, that is the police or police lady officer who will arrest and they will do the needful. But he is nobody. He's from that particular private respondent. He's from Aramai police station.
And how is he connected to the victim?
That is the reason we have filed it, and we file even to the superintendent of police to take action against him because he has nobody. Law will take its own course. If I make a mistake, the petitioner, the law will take its own course, and there are police lady officers who will arrest me and who will take the necessary.
Take down. Mr. Officer indicates that the service of notice on respondent number 5 was stated to be a police. What is his rank?
He's a SI.
Police sub-inspector posted at Arai Mail Tura has returned unserved. Stop. He's posted in Arai Mail.
Lordship, at that time of incident, he is posted at Arai Mail.
Yes. The allegation in the present petitions about excess of use of police, what do you call it, of
police SI.
The complaint in the writ petition is regard to assault by a police officer on the writ petitioner. Accordingly, the registry, you take the first step to the acting superintendent of police to serve notice upon the said respondent number 5. Mr. Impala.
My lord, J.N. Ranja.
Oh, J.N. Ranja, sorry. So J.N. Ranja submits that. The affidavit will be filed within
1 week.
1 week. We have respondent's number 124. Yes.
Lordship.
Much better.
Item 11.
Sir, 2 weeks for service report on respondent 5 and 6.
Lordship.
Yes.
Much blessed, Lordship.
May it please your lordship, petitioner doesn't want to pursue the case as such, case may be withdrawn.
Last time he had made a submission.
Yes, your lordship, but
yes,
I need him.
MS Elbrachari, the council submits the instructions. In the instructions, he may be allowed to withdraw the incident petition. Only on such submission, but it stands close to withdrawal.
Much obliged, your lordship.
12.
My lord, this matter in the last occasion, my colleague was escaped to bring the lordship notice the order passed in the Miss Case number 1 of 2024. My lord, dated 19/1/2024, where this Honorable Court observed that the outcome of the selection process will be depending upon the final decision of this Honorable Court. So
Yeah.
at the occasion, my absence, my lord, the respondents say that my writ petition become infructuous. So that is not correct, my lord. So my humble prayer today is let them file affidavit, and I have taken steps with regard to
Selection to which post?
the primary teachers in Datangiri.
How many posts were there? When was that? You just file affidavit showing the selection process over? Yes, Mr. Khan. Pursuant to order dated 28/2/2024, Mr. H.L. Changreso, the Senior Counsel, submits that instructions are obtained and that as the result of selections as the selection will be subject to result of petition, the matter is still alive for consideration. Now, look at the matter, next paragraph. Mr. Eric Khan prays he may be allowed
2 weeks, sir.
2 weeks time to file affidavit to bring on record the.
Well, we have taken step with regard to other private respondents.
He's appearing today.
One. That's one, not 12.
Only one. How many private respondents are there?
13 private respondents are there, my lord.
No, for time being, let the state file.
Yes, Lord.
Yes. Yes, Mr. S.A. Sheikh, present on the part of respondent number 12, submits that no affidavit will be forthcoming from the respondent at the stage, and reliance will be placed on the affidavit of the state respondents.
13.
Yes. Mohammed Zahir.
Please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I just need another week's time to file my affidavit. It's ready, but we
The instructions have been received.
Finalize it.
Since the 3rd of.
Yes, December, Your Lordship.
L coach for.
Respondent number 5.
Who's number 5?
He's the secretary of the managing committee.
So Yang Jaranja 124. What about number 6?
He hasn't appeared
Who's
yet.
number 6?
He's the performer respondent. He's a complainant, Your Lordship.
Yes, MSP Yang is praised as without just
Lordship, 2 weeks.
further. Why no? 1 week's enough. Why? What do you have to say?
Due to this fire incident, we are not properly settled. We need some more time.
Okay. Please hold out MSP Yangi as also Mr. for Mr. Leonard AAG with so and so 1 to 4 and Mr. L coach for 5. If one allowed further 2 weeks time for affidavit.
14.
Yes. Now you see.
14 and 15, my lord, between same parties.
No, it's been listed purposely today because in the other matter, we cannot find you. In this matter, you're appearing, correct?
Item 15, Lordship.
15, yes. I have 15. Same parties.
Same parties, madam.
But Your Lordship, 14, the notice has to go without instruction of the
That
client,
is what.
Lordship. We
that
cannot
is why
enter appearance.
we're not seeing anything.
Yes,
Just
sir.
listen to the order. See, in this, you're appearing in this matter, correct? This CRP number 52023.
Lordship.
Yes, MSL Panjam submits that though they are appearing in CRP number 5 of 2023, they have no instructions to appear in CRP number 22 or 2023, which is listed today. She's instructed to obtain necessary instructions from the said respondent as to whether whether he seeks a representation. Otherwise, it will go ex parte. Yes. This after
2 weeks.
2 weeks, Lordship. 2 weeks.
2 weeks. What matters
A
is.
similar player, Lordship, for item 15 also.
Yeah, 15 list of 2 weeks.
Ali.
That we listed together because of that.
Yes.
Same person engaged counsel in one case and he's avoiding service in the other case. How is that possible?
So he wouldn't employ another advocate for the other case, of course.
How do you know?
Yes.
He might employ someone else.
Yes, is that also?
Yes.
Highly obvious, Lordship.
Hearing. Item 20.
Ask me.
This is that election petition will order 7 rule 11 application is pending.
What is the ground of challenge? 711?
Non-compliance of section 81 and 82, 83.
Presentation?
Presentation Milords, and the true copy is not being there.
Supplied?
Yes. So
Lordships in a connected matter have held, Milords, that a preliminary issue to that effect
Yes.
can be framed and the matter can be disposed of on those lines. That order was set to challenge by the respondents before the Honorable Supreme Court. The Supreme Court has also refused to entertain the SLP.
yeah, that's right, Milords, but there is slight factual difference between that
You ready
case
the
and
matter today?
Milords, it will take some time. The hearing will take some time. So if it could possibly be taken up after 2 weeks. Yeah.
I have noted.
Because
You're different, you mean to say?
there
You
is
have to
a
distinguish from
factual
the
difference
earlier.
from the case of Gavin.
Mr. Pandey, the counsel appearing for the respondent, place of matter taken after 2 weeks, not objected to by Mr. Pierpont. This is the same after 2 weeks. Yes.
That's highly operational.
Second call, item number 8.
Yes. Dr. Mozika, why you want to appear personally? You don't want Archival to make personal appearance, that's why.
My lord, appropriate orders have been passed, my lord. So there is nothing remains to do.
Yes. Are you aware?
No, Your Lordship.
What's your name?
Lanusha Majao.
Who's the senior?
Miss P. Chetri.
Yes. The London DSG, whose entered appearance on behalf of the respondents, has produced a communication dated 12 February 2024, indicating the fact that the order dated 30th Jan 2023 has already been complied with by the respondents. A copy of the same is
Supplied copy.
you supplied, has been supplied to the learned counsel for the petitioner. So he is directed to obtain instructions in this matter for 1 week.
Your Lordship, do I have to submit this postal receipt?
No, it appeared. Yes. Very good. Yes.